Are you gonna turn over, mister? Do you need to turn over? Huh, sweetie? Do you need to turn over? There he goes. There he goes. Do you think that's funny, Cece? Is that funny? Should we do it again? Should we turn you over again? Okay, let's do it again. Go! 1, 2, 3, turn around. Are you done? Should we turn? Should we turn? There we go. Hello, boy. Hello. Did you get a cute outfit? Did you find your toes? Should we go see what Cece knows? Okay, let's put Chip in your boppy.